Have you ever opened a C-sharp class file and found thousands of lines of code mixed between auto-generated content and handwritten methods? It gets confusing, right? Today, I'll explain a powerful C-sharp feature called partial classes, designed specifically to help organize large classes neatly into separate files. Let's create a simple example. Suppose we have a class called user, with basic properties like ID and username. Typically, your database or ORM might auto-generate this part of the class. You don't want your custom methods mixed in here, right? That's where partial classes shine. You can define a partial class in one file, maybe auto-generated, containing standard properties. Then, in another file, you can add your custom properties and methods, like a user's email address and associated functionality. Both files are compiled together as one single class. When we instantiate this user class in our program, we seamlessly access properties and methods defined across multiple files. Partial classes are also fantastic when collaborating in teams, reducing conflicts because multiple developers can safely work on different parts of the same class. In summary, use partial classes to separate auto-generated and custom-written code, improve readability and maintainability, ease collaboration among developers. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment about what C# concept you'd like to explore next.